AI Ethicist. Salary, $80,000, $140,000. Job description. 1. Develop and implement ethical frameworks, guidelines, and policies for the development and deployment of AI systems. 2. Conduct ethical assessments of AI technologies and algorithms to identify potential biases, risks, and societal impacts. 3. Collaborate with cross-functional teams, including data scientists, engineers, and legal experts, to ensure ethical considerations are integrated throughout the AI lifecycle. 4. Provide guidance and support in navigating complex ethical dilemmas related to AI, such as privacy, fairness, transparency, and accountability. 5. Stay updated on emerging ethical issues and best practices in AI and contribute to the development of industry standards and regulations. 6. Educate and raise awareness among stakeholders, including executives, developers, and users, about ethical AI principles and practices. 7. Foster a culture of responsible AI development and usage within the organization. Requirements. 1. Advanced degree, master's or PhD, in ethics, philosophy, computer science, or a related field. 2. Strong knowledge of ethical theories and frameworks, particularly as they apply to AI and emerging technologies. 3. Familiarity with AI technologies, machine learning algorithms, and their societal implications. 4. Understanding of legal and regulatory aspects related to AI ethics, including privacy laws, data protection, and intellectual property rights. 5. Excellent analytical and critical thinking skills, with the ability to identify and address ethical challenges in AI development. 6. Strong communication and interpersonal skills, with the ability to engage with stakeholders from diverse backgrounds and communicate complex ethical concepts effectively. 7. Experience conducting ethical assessments or audits of AI systems is A+. 8. Knowledge of industry guidelines and initiatives related to AI ethics, such as the IEEE Ethically Aligned Design or the Partnership on AI. 9. Commitment to staying informed about the latest advancements and debates in AI ethics.